And what comes in the kit is 2 air balloons, 2 jackets, Syck Trix jackets. With these air balloons, what you're going to want to do is inflate both of these inside of these jackets. And the more air you can fit in there, the more pop. So what you're going to want to do is just try to make it so the zipper kind of is a struggle. What that's going to do is give you a lot of pop. Just, here's the 4 holes from the trucks. You just put it right there and center it as much as you can. And if it's not centered, don't worry. You can center it perfect. Rip it back off. It's not gonna change. So, anyways, you do that, and then take off your other plastic Velcro guy. Put it right here on the skate deck. Here's the truck holes. You want to line them up with the Velcro. When you do that, drop it there. Then you put your Syck Trix, you fill up your Syck Trix inner tube, and you place it inside of the jacket. And how you do that is real easy. I put it between my knees, like that. Zip it up, all the way up. Throw it onto your skate deck, and away you go. You have made your old skate deck into a Syck Trix board, so you can train and get really good with all your flip tricks.